Thank you for purchasing your retractable weld screen. In this video, we'll walk you through how to mount the screen to a wall step by step. Feel free to pause the video at any time if you need to catch up. Let's get started. Please note that you may need two people to mount the ROLLTect Retractable Weld Screen to a wall. Begin by lifting the screen onto the desired wall where you would like it mounted and secure it with fasteners. Depending on the mounting surface, pilot holes may be required. Tip: we recommend the bottom bracket be placed 9 inches or 23 centimeters to 12 inches or 31 centimeters above the ground. Last but not least, attach the J-hooks to the post or mounting surface opposite the screen so that they are level. Your retractable weld screen is successfully mounted and ready to enhance both the efficiency and safety of your workspace. Thank you for choosing Shaver Industries.